Mami.
No? I don't like this kind of bread. I know.
Okay, thank you for the owl you gave me.
Yep.
It's very good.
And lots of hard work.
Awesome. Mami, nakita mo yung gift ni Kate?
Yeah.
Owl, ah.
Asa mo? My brother.
Beautiful. Beautiful owl.
Ah.
Beautiful like money.
When you cannot do your debut, do it in the Philippines so you can go down to the stairs to your papa's house.
Ramdam mo talagang kumain na nasa Amerika, oh. Sa Cheesecake Factory.
Yun ang bahay ni Vegas.
Social.
Ah. Yung kanina, ano kinuha mo yung isa, tinapon na lang.
Matigas daw, sabi mo eh. Matigas ba yung
Sabi kinuha, tinapon na lang.
Pakala eh.
Ayun, kasi. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday!
Paano mo?
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Happy birthday!
Ay, yan! Sorry, I want to.
Amerikano na si Mama.
Yummy, yummy. Ilan taong ka na?
55.
Oh, wow! Double 5! Double 5! Oh, ano na siya? American na siya. American. Yan ang order niya. Salmon.
Kaya no more rice.
Nainitan
No
na sa
rice.
kanya Mami,
Ano na?
nainitan.
Mashed potato. Ano dapat yun? Ang tawag niya? Mashed
Mashed
potato
potato.
na. Yeah, no rice.
Ay, sabi ng babae eh.
It's really
Oh, pare-parehas kami ng order. Oh.
because it's so small.
So, doon.
Wow, that's the one.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Wow.
And let me get this.
That's your order.
Thank you.
Mami, order ni Mami. Ano yan, Mami? Ano yung mga gulay? Peanuts? Anong bati? Anong bati yan? Ayan, busog na. Tapos na kumain ng mga ano.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Cha-cha-cha! Birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Yay! Happy birthday! Double 5.
Sa mga video greetings kay Mama sa Cebu, Tita Mercy from Team Loyal. Salamat sa mga video greetings, guys.
Happy birthday. May God bless you and your family. Stay healthy, stay safe, and enjoy your day. O salamat sa imong kanunay nga pag-share sa imong blessing namo. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pamangkin Eric Claro Soralta. Enjoy your day. Thank you for always sharing your blessings to us. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sir Eric. More years to celebrate. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Bye. God bless. Enjoy.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and God bless you always.
Hello, Boss Eric. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more cakes to slice, and God bless you, boss.
Good morning, Sir Eric. Happy birthday. May all your dreams come true on your birthday with lots of love from Team Loyal family. Again, enjoy your day. Have a blessed birthday ahead.
Happy birthday, Sir Eric. Thank you for sharing your blessing with us. Keep safe always and enjoy your day. God bless.
Hello, Eric. Happy birthday. Wishing you the best of everything. God bless you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, happy birthday to Sir Eric Soralta. God bless you always. Enjoy your special day. Birthday, sir.
Hello Eric, happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Team Loyal family loves you and greet your happy birthday today. Happy birthday pamangkin. I love you.
May ano ba? May blow din, no?
Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Yay! Congratulations! Thank you.
Amerikano na.
Hey! America!
Ganang, kain tayo.
Ano gusto mong cake, Oji? Tsokolate?
Pili kasi